just to show you the scope of this particular niche is, I'm just going to turn on helium-10. Let's just say analyze this page, okay? So let's go to the X-ray just to see what we're making here. So in this particular niche, 1.3, 1.295, $1.3 million a year. Sorry, a month. What am I talking about? A year, 1.3 million. I mean, that's a significant amount of money. All right, let me just turn this off. So what is it? Well, it's a mud mask. It's a mud mask. And this is a product right here. It's actually the bestseller, New York Biology. But let's look at the actual SERPs. Let me just enlarge this a little bit. Let's look at the SERPs and just run through it. So here's the search mud mask. Here's our results. We're going to ignore the sponsored. Here's our first one. So we've got green tea face mask, and then it's number 2. The bestseller is number 2. This has got 11 reviews. 11 reviews. So this is a brand new product getting the Amazon honeymoon. If you don't know what that is, you should just check out my channel. I talk about the Amazon honeymoon heaps. I've got videos all about how to take advantage of that. But this is getting the Amazon honeymoon, okay? But this product right here is doing something really, really cool. New York Biology, myself out of the way, Dead Sea Mud Mask for face and body. Here's why I like it. They have nailed the image, the main hero image. They've nailed it. So it says here, we've got New York Biology. Brand name is there. Perfect. Brand name is also here. Okay. Dead Sea Mud Mask. So we've got New York Biology, Dead Sea Mud Mask. Okay. So they've nailed that. Then it goes into anti-acne, deep skin cleanser. Can't talk for some weird reason. Pore reducer. So there are 3 big benefits, big problems that people who are using this mask have, and they're already loud and proud on the hero image, okay? All natural mineral infusion, blah, blah, blah. And then it gives a size, 8.8 ounces, 250 grams. So you get a lot of information directly from that hero image. They've already done most of the selling has been done right here. It's very, very clever. Contrast that with like this, for instance, turmeric, vitamin C, 100% natural, Dead Sea musk mask. Like, it's not as good. It's just not as good. The other thing they've done really, really well here is the hero image takes up most of the available space. The hero image taken up. And I can see here 42,000 reviews. It is not the cheapest at $16.95. It is not the cheapest at all. In fact, it's on the expensive side. One of the more expensive ones. Most of them are around that 10, 12 bucks, okay? This one, a bit of fast scroll there, 17 bucks, and yet it still is dominating this particular search. Let's just turn helium-10 back on. Let me just show you what it's doing as far as actual. Okay, give me the info, please. As actual numbers go, as far as the actual numbers go, okay. The image, though, perfect. The image is perfect. $400,000 a month. One product, which is mud in a jar. Mud in a jar. That's what this product is. It's pretty insane when you think about it. Let's turn that back off. Let's go through what else they do very, very well. So, first things to think about, the hero image has done a heap of the hard yards as far as actually selling you on the product. It's got the brand name on it. It's got the major search term with high buyer intent, deep sea mud mask, or mud mask in this particular thing. And it's also got the benefits of it, and it's got the volume of it. So it's got the 4 things that people in this particular niche are going to be looking for. Very clever. Very, very clever. Let's have a look at the other stuff. The other images, well, actually, yeah, I mean, look at that, kind of terrible. So that tells us the images, other images, are not that great. But this hero image has just done such a amount of good work that's doing really, really well for them. Okay. Best holiday gift guide. So now they've snuck in some other search terms into that. Mineral fuse, pure. Very, very clever with that. The other thing I want to quickly mention as well is that they have here is when they start getting better with their images in their A+ content. They've done that too. Okay, so they've got a really good job of doing this too. Final thing I want to mention as well, let's go back to the SERPs. Notice they are the best seller and they're still running ads. They're the best seller and they're still running ads. That tells us that if you want to be the best seller, you've always got to be running ads. That's kind of how Amazon works right now. You've got to keep the ads going. So I hope you enjoyed that. I think it's a fantastic product. If it was me, you could niche it down further. For instance, look, this is a dude's version of it, clearly aimed at guys. So you could niche it down further. But what we've got here is a masterclass of getting the sale done straight from the search engine results page. That was a video from my regular Monday Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 e-commerce entrepreneurs right around the world, not just from Australia. There's heaps and heaps of us from all over the place. I'm from bloody England myself. So if you want to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, you can get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description, and you're going to learn how we can help you get started and make a ton of money in your own e-commerce business. Our members have got sales of over $50 million. Come check us out, come join us, you'll be glad you did. See you in the next video. Bye.